Okay, this is day 9. So what have we done today?
Started making the bowsprit with a template and then cut that out of wood, and then hopefully that should just sit on the front there and that'll chill until I reinforce it later. What's really exciting about today is she's starting to look like a ship. You see I've made the bowsprit and started planking the forecastle. We've even got another little trapdoor in here. Boom, boom, boom. And I've started making those, whatever they're called, on the mast. And there it is, one Galliano.